Hi, I'm Sage on the Kerasilk artist team, and today I'm going to focus on my product recommendation for setting naturally curly hair. Today I have my client Cassidy, who has the most perfect naturally curly hair, and we're going to talk about what I would recommend to keep her hair coily and also frizz-free. So one of the things you have to start with is the proper shampoo and conditioner to provide the most hydration for your client. The key to no frizz is a lot of hydration. So what I would recommend from the Essentials line is the smoothing shampoo, which is going to give her the most hydration possible. And then instead of using the traditional conditioner, I am going to use the smoothing mask, which is found in your Specialist line. This smoothing mask is going to give her hydration up to 3 more washes, which is also going to help with that frizz reduction. After you've cleansed your client and gotten her hair properly hydrated, we are going to talk about the products I recommend to keep the hydration but also keep her hair coily. The first thing that I'm going to use is the Taming Balm. This contains shea oil, and this is going to keep that hydration in there as well as make sure that any shape that we put in is going to be put into place. We're going to start by sectioning out her hair so that we can ensure proper product distribution. We're going to take 2 pumps of the Taming Balm, and we're going to layer that in from root to ends. Going to do the same on the top. And then we are ready to apply our next product. My preferred product to set her curls is the Curling Balm. This product has carnauba wax in it, which is going to help with the humidity control as well as keep her hair from shrinking too much and provide the coiling effect that we're looking for. How we're going to do this is by taking small 1-inch sections, starting in the nape, clipping that excess hair out of the way, and then we're going to apply a generous amount of the Curling Balm. Emulsify that in my hands. And there's 2 ways that you can really ensure the proper coil. You can come in here and use your fingers to just finger twirl the curls in place, or you could use a rubber bristle brush like this Denman to do more of a curl set across the back. Once the curls are properly set, you're going to start feeling that Curling Balm form a cast. If she's going to air dry from this point, you want that cast to stay, but we are going to diffuse to just give a little bit more volume and speed up the process. So before you do that, you're going to have your model flip over and provide a light mist of water to help break that cast up. Now that I have the curls set on Cassidy, I want to show you guys the product I love to use to finish out this set. So what I'm going to apply into the hair to help soften out any of the curls and control any other minimal frizz that is here after that diffuse style is the multi-benefit oil. So I'm going to start by putting 2 pumps, less is more, into my hands, emulsify. And then where I'm going to concentrate this is in her front pieces and right on the halo area of her set where any of that frizz would be found. Using the oil to finish her hair is going to ensure that her hair stays hydrated for at least 72 hours and also offer extra humidity protection. These are my favorite tips and tricks for my curly clients, and I hope these will help for yours too.